So this summer, we went into Achlakerho Channel in Smith Inlet. You have to go pretty far up Smith Inlet to get in there. There's only really one way in, and it's an interesting entrance. More specifically, we went to the end of Broad Reach once we got inside of the channel, and all the charts really show that you can't get back there. It's not really passable. But I'd read some information that said you could. So we gave it a shot. We didn't have a lot of time left, a lot of daylight, so we decided to just slow go in with the sailboat and, see if we saw bottom. And we did, but the shallowest spot was about 10 feet, and that was at high tide, roughly around high tide. So we were able to get back there, we were able to anchor, and it was a very beautiful place. And so what we did on the way out is we had the drone follow us so we could make a video to show anybody else that might be interested in getting back there, kind of the route to take. And you can see in the video as we get closer to some of these things that it does get very shallow, and it is shallow everywhere in here. And I definitely apologize about the drone flying back and forth. It was on the wrong setting. So in this area, if you look off to the right hand side, you can see that shoal. It is very shallow over there. We went over there in the dinghy, and in some places it's barely 2 feet. And as we get closer to this island, you can see it starts to come up a bit more. So this is the only way in or out. And this is up here where it gets to about 10 feet, roughly. And you have to stay inside of this island. That's the narrowest spot there. And then as we move forward, you can see that shoal gets closer and closer and closer. I actually got way closer to it than I meant to. In this area, you have to stay kind of in the middle there. There is a rock hiding under the water out over there, off to the right hand side. And coming in, of course, it'd be on your left hand side. And then this is where it starts to get deeper. And once you make it back out here, you are back into Broadreach and can head back toward the channel. And basically reverse that to go in. We didn't record on the way in because we were really paying attention to what we were doing and making sure we didn't run aground. Well, I hope this video helps anybody that's trying to get in there, that's ever thought about going in there. It is definitely possible. It's a cool place. A lot of places to explore, but there's a lot of shallow spots, so just definitely be careful.